If you own a property but don't live in it, this message is for you. Managing an absentee-owned property can be challenging. Are you sick of dealing with tenants? We have solutions that can make your life easier and more profitable. Hi, I'm Rosie Agopian, broker with Beverly & Company Luxury Properties. Absentee ownership means you own a property but do not reside in it. Whether it's a rental property, a vacation home, or an inherited asset, managing from afar can be daunting. From maintenance issues and tenant management to legal complexities and market fluctuations, absentee ownership can become a full-time job. But it doesn't have to be that way. Imagine freeing yourself from these burdens. Selling your property can provide you with liquid assets to invest elsewhere, reduce stress, and give you more time to focus on what truly matters in your life. Here's why selling your property with us is a smart choice. We understand the local market and can position your property to attract the best offers. Our marketing strategies ensure your property gets maximum exposure. 95% of buyers search online for their homes, and 77% use social media to search. Yet, only 16% of agents use social media in their marketing strategy, and only 1% are doing it correctly. As a real estate professional, I want to offer more and better. So I came up with a disruptive strategic digital marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers weekly. You're probably looking at this video as a result of those efforts. I show, not tell. We handle everything from listing to closing, making the process smooth and stress-free. Our negotiation skills and market insights ensure you get the best possible price. Don't just take our word for it. See what our satisfied clients have to say about their experience with us. If you want to hear about how we use the tools of Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of more buyers, give us a call. Rosie Agopian. I'm greatly enthusiastic to reach excellence and to proceed standards of service, honesty, integrity, respect, ethics, and care. Let us serve you with all your real estate needs, whether it's residential or commercial, selling, buying, or renting. And I promise we will exceed your expectations. Let us elevate your lives and empower your dreams.